Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'm going to work with the season revenues, and here I'm going to do 4 different steps. I'm going to add a data validation for the C column, so I'm going to make sure that people only actually enter information out of this list here. I'm then going to format the whole range here as a table. Then I'm going to create a pivot table and a pivot chart to compare the seasons. So let's start with that. This whole column there, we're going to do on the data. There we can do a data validation, and we'll allow not any value, which is the default, but items from a list. And then I can just select these items right there. As you see, that brings up a little drop down for each and every one of these. So if I try to fill something else there, then it won't work. So I'll just have to select one of the items in there. So that's the data validation. And we're going to format this as a table. We'll go back to the Home tab and format this as a table. Select any layout there. That's a perfect one. Then of course we don't need the decimal numbers, so let's just remove those up there. And then we're going to create a pivot table, and that's very easy to do once you have a table. Summarize with a pivot table. I'm going to use the table 1, and I'm going to create that on a new worksheet. And then I'm going to create a pivot chart, and that's going to be a pie to compare different options. 2D pie is just fine. And then I'm going to compare the seasons. And of course what we actually are going to compare is the revenue for each one. And there we have a pivot chart comparing the different seasons with each other. And those were the 4 steps that we wanted to do. Thank you for watching.